Welcome back, my free travelers! Today's video is about exploring Kaohsiung. Thank you for keeping up with my vlog in Taiwan. This is already the part 4 of Taiwan's vlog. Today is the second day of our Kaohsiung travel. We were walking at Kaohsiung Central Park. This is not a typical park where people used to run and kick back, because this park has a public library and a museum and a fitness center. At night, you will see the urban spotlight. Close to this park is the Central Park Station. Our Airbnb was close to the station and we're journeying to Ciaotou Sugar Refinery Station. From this central train station, we'll take the red line. We had 14 stops that will take 27 minutes. We took the platform 2 bound to Gangshan. Always stay on the side of the train before getting on. Now after 27 minutes, get off at Ciaotou Sugar Refinery Station and take the exit number 2 and walk 4 minutes. Going to the refinery, you must turn left and you will see the wall with the name of the factory. We were confused because we turned on the right and it took us 15 minutes to figure it out. Ciaotou Sugar Industry Culture Park is free of admission. Some fun facts about this place. The Ciaotou Sugar Factory, which is opened in the Japanese colonial period and was Taiwan's first sugar factory, incorporated modernized machinery and is already over 100 years old. The vats and outdated machinery can be still seen in Taiwan's first modern sugar factory, which was established in 1901, along with some tasteful mid-century offices and a few air raid shelters. This area also has a village that mostly maintains its early 20th century feel. Though it isn't Taiwan's most colorful sugar factory, Ciaotou has a surroundings with whimsical art designs. Exploring this factory, we felt something really weird inside the plantation. Maybe it's because it has been abandoned for years. Would you believe that you can take the Wuhan train, well known as Taiwan Sugar Railways, by booking an appointment? It looks like it's decommissioned, but it's actually working. Adult tickets cost 80 Taiwan dollar per person. After exploring the sugar factory, we head back to Ciaotou Sugar Refinery Station, and the next place to visit is the Gushan District, south of Kaohsiung. We took the red line again bound to Siaogang and alight at Formosa Boulevard Station and transfer to Orange Line, and train was bound to Cijin and get off at Cijin Station and walk to exit number 1. Walk 11 minutes or 750 meters to Ciaotou Landscape Bridge located at Gushan. This lush mountainous downtown district of Kaohsiung is a home to many museums and historic buildings, a monkey mountain and a lovely wharf. This is a Ciaotou Landscape pedestrian bridge overlooking the beautiful yachts and ferry harbor. The bridge is close to the Gushan Ferry Pier Station where you can take quick ferry to Cijin Island.
A few moments later.
Going to Cijin Island, you have to proceed to passengers waiting room to take a ferry boat ride. You can use your Easy Card to pay the boat fee back and forth. Waiting will only take 10 to 15 minutes. The ferry ride takes only 10 minutes to arrive at Cijin Island, and it's only a short ferry ride. Arriving at Cijin Island, I recommend you to rent a bike to explore the whole island to make the most of your time here. Make sure you bring an ID with you when renting a bike. Let me tell you a short facts about this place. Cijin is the second smallest district of Kaohsiung. The long, thin island stretches 15 kilometers down the city shoreline and serves as a natural barrier to the port. If you're looking for a fun day out exploring a less touristy spot, Cijin is just the place for you. We spent a fun day exploring the stunning landscape, visiting Cijin's top attractions like the Kaohsiung Lighthouse and catch the sight of panoramic view over the harbor, a popular spot for sunset chasers visiting Cijin as well, and Cijin Star Tunnel. Seal Tunnel isn't very long and it literally only takes a few seconds to walk through it. Once you've made your way through the tunnel, which runs through Siho Mountain, you'll be rewarded with unparalleled views as the road opens up to huge boulders and crashing waves. It's quite a sight to see. Before leaving the Cijin Island, we tried one of their famous street food here, the Taiwanese spring roll with peanut powder. There's a different types of ice cream flavor you could choose from, and one roll costs 40 new Taiwan dollar. This is an ice cream sundae tucked into the thin spring roll wrapper. This dessert originates from Yilan County, Taiwan. In Taiwan, crushed peanuts and cilantro are a common garnish for many different types of food. While the combination may appear strange for ice cream toppings, it tastes great. How does it taste?
Yummy.
Okay, we're leaving Gushan District now, taking a train. Okay. Tap your card. Okay. Here goes our train.
Isang cup ka na?
tap, tap. This is the Formosa Boulevard station where you can see the famous Dome of Light. This is made from individual pieces of colored glass. We're close to the station, therefore we're able to check this out.